If you see the next one, it's also very interesting. Sin power 6x plus cos power 6x. Integral sin power 6x plus cos power 6x upon sin square x cos square x dx. It's a very important model. Okay. So for that, for this problem, we have one concept here. Sin power 6x plus cos power 6x can be written as sin square x whole cube plus cos square x whole cube. Right? I am simplifying that numerator now. A cube plus b cube. Do you remember? What is the formula for a cube plus b cube? A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab of a plus b. This formula you should be able to remember. A cube plus b cube can be used here. That can be written as a plus b whole cube sin square x plus cos square x whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Right? So I applied formula. A cube plus b cube can be written as a plus b whole cube minus 3ab of a plus b. So this makes one first identity minus 3 sin square x into cos square x. This also makes one as per identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 everywhere. So sin power 6x plus cos power 6x can be written as upon sin square x into cos square x dx equal to numerator can be written as 1 minus 3 sin square x into cos square x upon sin square x into cos square x. So wherever you get this sin power 6x plus cos power 6x, you can write directly this one 1 minus 3 sin square x into cos square x. Suppose if you have sin power 4x plus cos power 4x, we can write that also. I will tell you. See, sin power 4x can be written as sin square x whole square plus cos power 4x can be written as cos square x whole square. Now what is the formula? A square plus b square. That can be written as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. For that, if you use here, we will get sin square x plus cos square x whole square minus 2 sin square x into cos square x. So this one is 1 minus 2 sin square x into cos square x. So what did you understand from this? Wherever we have sin power 6x plus cos power 6, we can write 1 minus 3 sin square x into cos square x. If you have sin power 4x plus cos power 4x, we can write 1 minus 2 sin square x into cos square x. Now split this. 1 by sin square x into cos square x dx minus integral sin square x cos square x sin square x cos square x get cancelled 3 1 dx. But in the before problem, already I told you 1 by sin square x cos square x means I can write sin square x plus cos square x by sin square x into cos square x. Before, just we did before, integral 1 dx. Now split this. Sin square cancel, 1 by cos square means secant square x dx plus integral 1 by sine square means cosec square x dx minus 3 integral 1 dx. I think it is clear. Before we did this, secant square x is tan x, cosecant square x is minus cot x, 1 is x plus. Therefore, integral sine power 6x plus cos power 6x upon sine square x into cos square x dx equal to tan x minus cot x minus 3x plus. That is the end of solution. Right? So, here two concepts you must remember. Sine power 6x plus cos power 6x equal to 1 minus 3 sine square x into cos square x. Sine power 4x plus cos power 4x means 1 minus 2 sine square x cos square x. Okay? Let us see next one. Integral a power x plus b power x. Integral a power x plus b power x whole square upon a power x into b power x dx. You look at this problem. This is also important model. You can try yourself one problem. Try yourself. Integral a power x minus b power x whole square upon a power x into b power x dx. Okay. After doing this problem, you can try that. So, first I am taking given integral as a power x plus b power x whole square upon a power x into b power x dx equal to integral. Clearly it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So first write that a square plus 2ab plus b square upon a power x into b power x whole dx. Okay, integral. This is nothing but a power x whole square, keep it as it is, by a power x into b power x dx, splitting integral 2 times a power x b power x by a power x into b power x dx plus integral b power x whole square by a power x into b power x dx. Right? Now if you cancel this, we can write off a by b whole power x dx plus, here these two cancel, 2 times integral 1 dx plus, here 1 b power x gets cancelled, so b by a whole power x dx. Right? Now we are able to remember integral of a power x dx, right? What is the formula for a power x? A power x by log a plus c. Right? So we can write a power x by log a plus 2 times 1 means x plus this is b by a whole power x by log b by a plus, right? Therefore, so integral a power x plus b power x whole square upon a power x into b power x dx equal to a by b whole to the power x by log a by b plus 2x plus b by a whole to the power x by log b by a plus c. Okay? That is the final answer. Hope it is clear. Next one. Clear? This you try yourself. See the next question. Integral x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1 dx. Actually, for doing this problem, observe it, degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator, right? So in that case, what we will do? We have to divide the numerator by denominator and simplify them. But this problem can be done by making some small steps. So listen, interesting problem. So simple thing, take x square common from both first two. So we will get x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1 dx. So if you split x square times x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1 dx plus integral 1 by x square plus 1 dx. So if you cancel this, integral x square dx plus integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx. What is the integration of x square? X cube by 3 plus 1 by 1 plus x square means tan inverse x plus c. Therefore, integral x power 4 plus x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1 dx equal to x cube by 3 plus tan inverse of x plus c. Otherwise, we can divide the numerator by denominator and simplify. Same we will get. Okay? Similar way, suppose if there is minus here, what happens? You can try. This one plus I am keeping. So try yourself this problem. Try yourself. Okay. Integral x power 4 plus x square minus 1 upon x square plus 1 dx. This you can try. Okay? Integral, next one, sin x plus cos x by square root of 1 plus sin 2x. Look at this simple problem. Integral sin x plus cos x by root of 1 plus sin 2x dx equal to integral sin x plus cos x by, this 1 can I write sin square x plus cos square x plus sin 2x can I write 2 sin x cos x dx, because already I told you from the first identity of trigonometry, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Wherever we have 1, we can write this. And sin 2 theta, multiple angles, 2 sin theta cos theta. Before we used submultiple angles, right? Now this can be sin x plus cos x by, clearly it looks like a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab can be written as a plus b whole square. So I can write sin x plus cos x whole square dx. Now here sin x plus cos x whole square means we will get sin x plus cos x, both gets cancelled. 1 dx. Integral 1 means x. Therefore, integral sin x plus cos x by square root of 1 plus sin 2x dx equal to x plus c. Clear? Okay. Let us see one more problem. It is also interesting. If f dash x equal to 4x cube minus 3 by x power 4, f dash x equal to 4x cube minus 3 by x power 4 and f of 2 is equal to 0. Find f of x. Derivative of function is given. We have to find the function. So clearly, first given f dash x equal to 4x cube minus 3 by x power 4. Also we are given f of 2 equal to 0, right? Now f of x equal to, this derivative becomes integration when if it goes that side, dx. Or you can write f dash x can be written as d by dx of f of x, okay, equal to 4x cube minus 3 by x power 4. This d by dx I am sending that side. That becomes integration. Okay. Now write the integral for this. 4 times x cube integration is x power 4 by 4 minus 3 times 1 by x power 4 means x power minus 4 plus 1 by minus 4 plus 1 plus c. 4 gets cancelled. X power 4 minus 3 times x power minus 3 by minus 3 plus c. So he will get x power 4 minus into minus plus 1 by x cube plus c. This is f of x. But constant of integration we should get first. For that they gave f of 2 equal to 0. That means, what does it mean? In the place of x replace 2. So 2 power 4 plus 1 by 2 cube plus c equal to 0. This is 16 plus 1 by 8 plus c equal to 0. So we will get c equal to 8 6 are 48, 128 plus 1 plus c equal to 0. Right. So c equal to plus 129 becomes minus 129 by 8. That is c value. Right. So if you put that value, now I want f of x. F of x equal to this c value you replace in this. So that means x power 4 plus 1 by x cube plus c means 129 by 8. That is the required function, right? So whenever we are given the derivative of the function, we can find the initial values. These are called initial conditions. Suppose if they are given the initial conditions, we can find the function also. Okay. In the same way, we have one problem here. Let me see. If same model problem we have, I'll explain that also. See. If f dash x equal to a sin x plus b cos x, a sin x plus b cos x. F dash 0 equal to 4. Conditions are given. F dash 0 equal to 4. F of 0 equal to 3. F of 0 equal to 3. And f of pi by 2 equal to 5. Then find f of x. Right? F of pi by 2 equal to 5. And now first, what is given here? Solution. We are given f dash x equal to, derivative of the function is given a sin x plus b cos x. Condition first one is f dash 0 equal to 4. That means in the place of x keep 0. So a into sin 0 means 0 plus b times cos 0 1 equal to 4. That means we got b value 4. Then f dash x becomes a sin x plus 4 cos x. Now I want to find f of x. Derivative becomes integral a sin x plus 4 cos x dx. Understood that step? Already I told you, if differentiation sends that side, it becomes integral. Okay. Then f of x equal to a times sin x integration is minus cos x plus 4 cos x integration is sin x plus c. So f of x equal to, we got minus a cos x plus 4 sin x plus c. First I will find out the constant of integration. For that we are given f of 0 equal to 3. F of 0 value, in the place of x keep 0. Cos x value 1 plus 4 into sin 0 0 plus c equal to 3. That means minus a plus c equal to 3. This is B equation 1. And one more condition is f of pi by 2. In the place of pi by 2 keep it and make it equal to 5. So minus a into cos 90 0 plus 4 sin 90 1 plus c equal to 5. So c equal to 5 minus 4 1. From equation 1, if you write this, minus a plus 1 equal to 3. Minus a equal to 3 minus 1 2. A value minus 2. Therefore f of x equal to, substitute all the values. So here we have, right, minus a